Hello, I am Dr.Sirisha and a warm welcome to you back to my channel. In this video, we'll try to understand the theory why, the assumptions of theory why as proposed by Douglas McGregor. Okay, in the previous video, we have understood what theory X has to say about workplace, the workers and the kind of management approach. Okay, in this video, we'll try to understand what theory Y has to suggest. Basically, see, as contradicting to theory X, theory Y takes a very positive approach, a very positive outlook towards the employees and the worker attitude and the human behavior. Okay, and the assumptions of theory Y says that people and employees, especially employees, they are all internally motivated. They are within themselves, they are motivated to work. They would love to perform. They would love to take and accept that responsibility. They would love to give their best to the organization and to themselves. Okay, and they basically enjoy work. They are happy to work. Okay, and they work to better themselves. Like they are not here to work for just the salary or the incentive, but to improve themselves. The basic assumption of theory Y is people just do not work for the rewards. Even though the rewards are not there, they work to better themselves, to have that self-fulfillment, to utilize their or to work to their fullest potential, to improve their own selves, they work. Okay, those are the positive assumptions of theory Y. And believers of theory Y, like the managers or the managements who believe in theory Y, they believe that workers are the real assets to the company. They really make meaningful contributions to the company. That is how they take a view of their employees. Okay, and based on these assumptions, the kind of management style of theory Y believers is like they give a lot of space, a lot of chance for bettering personal relationships. They maintain a very good rapport, very good personal level relationships with their employees. Okay, they provide an environment, they create an environment where personal relationships and intimate relationships are the workplace thing. They try to create a very cordial workplace environment. Okay, and they do not believe in strict supervision because they already know and they already believe that people are internally motivated and they do not need that strict and close control over the employees. They will do their part without close supervision also. Those or that is the kind of management approach who believe in theory Y. Okay, and they always try to create better and healthier workplace environment, workplace conditions. Okay, see, like if you look at this, like this is very positive, very rosy kind of a theory. Okay, but there is, if you consider theory Y and theory X, they are like two extremes. In practicality, like people cannot be like theory X, or people cannot be all the time like theory Y. In between, there should be a theory Z, like which suggests that it is not the extreme cases, but there should be some middle way. Okay, some transcendent dimension to work and worker motivation. It is completely not as negative and as stringent approach that theory X takes. At the same time, not very rosy, not very ideal kind of an approach what theory Y takes. But in between, you have to strike a balance between the two extremities. Because you cannot categorize people as completely bad or good. right? We always carry both the qualities. Sometimes we feel like not doing something, sometimes we feel completely demotivated, sometimes we feel high, sometimes we feel very energetic. So what managements has to take, and what approach managements have to take is, they have to balance these two extremities and try to take that right approach, which is like theory Z, where there should be a balance. They should not be too strict, at the same time they should not be too lenient. Okay, that right amount of control, right amount of managerial thing has to be in the workplace. Okay, I hope this video is important and useful to you basically, and if you find it useful, please do not forget to like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.